I work with schools all over North America, and I'm working with this small district where they got one teacher per, two teachers per grade level, and the specialists are singletons. And, we're looking at how does a band teacher get better? They collaborate with other band teachers, but there's only one band teacher at the school, so what do? Oftentimes in a culture, those singletons are swept up into a dustpan, and we say, y'all figure it out, But what this pandemic has shown us is it's made just about all of us literate at this virtual learning thing. So as a principal, can we arrange to free up time for band teachers from 3 different schools that can be anywhere in the nation that can get on a Zoom call for a half hour and collaborate effectively, right? And that's come out of this experience. Like you said, we don't want to do it again, but we can leverage this in other ways.